Hello everyone. Today we're gonna start with general equilibrium and economic efficiency. Before I have made a video on general equilibrium and economic efficiency on Walras law. Okay, so before watching, please watch that and then come to this video. Otherwise, you will not understand what will I be teaching now. Okay, so let's start. General equilibrium analysis determines the prices and quantities in all markets simultaneously. What it's saying? That general equilibrium determines the prices and quantities in all the markets simultaneously. In equilibrium, taking feedback effect into account. Let's see what is feedback effect. A feedback effect is a price or quantity adjustment in one market caused by price and quantity adjustment in the related market. We have learned in Walras law that if one market has excess supply, then the other market must have excess demand so that equilibrium can be reached. And we have also learned that if there is n number of markets, out of which n-1th market are in equilibrium, then the nth market is also in equilibrium. Okay, so here it is saying that same thing. It is saying that general equilibrium deals with on determining the price and quantities in the market simultaneously. Okay, it is saying simultaneously, accounting the feedback effect, and feedback effect is nothing but the adjustment of price and quantity in one market which has caused from the change in price or quantity in the other market. Okay, for example, let's see, government taxes oil import. That is, the government, suppose India is taxing the oil import. Suppose, for example, this policy would immediately shift the supply curve for oil to the left, because now as the government has imposed taxes on oil import, now cost of oil has been increased. That's why the supply must decrease, right? So this policy would immediately shift the supply curve to the left, okay, by making foreign oil more expensive. Now the foreign oil that India has imported from foreigner countries are much expensive because tax had been added to that cost and raised the price of the oil. So the price has been raised as the government has taxed the oil import. But the effect of the tax will not end here. But it is saying not only the effect of tax will not end here. It's saying that if the government tax the oil import, it will raise the price, but the effect will not end here. It will continue. Let's see how. The higher price, as we have known that there is raise in price, so the price has been raised, would increase the demand for and then the price of natural gas. That means as the price of the oil has been increased, there is an increase in demand of natural gases. So if there is increase in demand of natural gases, it will lead to increase in price of the natural gases automatically. We know it. The higher price will in turn causes oil demand to rise. As the price of the natural gas is now high or higher, now it will make the oil price even more higher. Okay, thus increasing the price of the oil. The oil and natural gas market will continue to interact. In this way, one is getting a higher price, then the other will also increase its price. In this way, the two markets, the oil and the natural gas market, will continue this interaction until eventually an equilibrium is reached. Obviously, if it keeps on increasing its price, it will not be sold, right? So there must be an equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity at which the two market will be in equilibrium with each other. Okay, in which the quantity demanded and quantity supplied are equated. That means at the equilibrium point, the quantity that was demanded and the quantity that was supplied are equated in the both markets. Means the both market, the supply and the demand are at equilibrium, but in the both market. Okay, remember that in both market the equilibrium has been reached. That means if the government has taxed the oil import, that is lead to the increase in price of the oil, then it has effect on the natural gas. As the demand of natural gas increased, the prices also increased, right? And as the price of natural gas now have increased, it had led the price of oil to increase furthermore, and this way they interact until and unless a equilibrium has been reached in the two markets. Okay, so see that in these two, the oil market and in natural gas market, in this two market, the market has been reached at equilibrium simultaneously. We are looking at the two markets simultaneously, and we are determining the price and quantity at which the equilibrium can be reached. Okay, now we gonna learn about the two interdependent market. Let's see, as we have seen that the oil and the natural gas market are interdependent on each other. Let's see this one then. Sorry, there is a problem in adjusting this waiter. Yes, fine. So, two interdependent market. When the market are interdependent, the price of all products must be simultaneously determined. That it is saying, if the market are interdependent, they are dependent on each other some way or the other, then the price of all the products in the two market must be determined simultaneously. It's very important. Simultaneously, it's a keyword. So here, a tax on movie tickets shift the supply of movie upward from SM to SM star. See this graph. Okay, the tax has been made on the movie ticket. So as there is tax, now the movie ticket is much more costlier. So there is a shift of what? The supply curve. The supply was this previously or initially, and now as tax has been imposed on the movie ticket, it has shifted the supply of movies upward from SM to SM star. Okay, as a result, the price of the movie ticket increases. As you can see, the price has been increased at this point. Previously it was PM, now it is PM star. Okay, which initially shift the demand for DVDs upward. As the price of the movie ticket has increased, there is shift in the supply curve towards left. As there is a shift in the supply curve of the movie ticket, the demand for DVD has increased and it has been shifted rightward. See, rightward. Okay, as the demand for DVDs increased, that means upward shift of or rightward shift of demand curve. This is because DVD retails and movie tickets are closely related market. They are obviously closely related market because DVD players give most consumers the option of watching movies at home as well as at theaters. That's why they are closely related or interdependent market. Okay, because they are serving the same means. Then it is telling that of watching movie at home as well as at the theater, change in price in one market, as there was change in price in movie, are likely to affect the other market. As there was change in price of movie tickets, it has affected our DVD market also, which in turn causes feedback effect in the first market. That has caused a feedback effect on the first market. Let's see how. As demand for DVD increase, as you can see, the demand curve has been shifted rightward from DV to DV star, and the price has been increased from PV to PV star. The higher price has a feedback effect. As the price has increased, it must have an effect on the movie tickets, right? Feedback effect on the price and quantity of the movie ticket, which cause demand of movie ticket to shift rightward. That means as the price of DVD E has been increased, it will have a feedback effect on the first market, that is the movie market, which will lead to rightward shift of the demand curve of the movie ticket. As there was rightward shift of the movie ticket, now from DM it has been rightward shift of the demand curve, and it is now DM dash. Now the price has been increased to PM dash. See, initially it was PM. When the movie ticket was taxed, then the price came to be P star M, and when the demand has been increased, now the price has further increased to PM star. This is the increase in price is due to feedback effect. Okay, this continue until a general equilibrium is reached. So this will continue, this will increase, this price will increase, here also price will increase, and ultimately they will reach an equilibrium where the two markets, both the market are simultaneously will be in equilibrium, and they will determine the price and quantity at which they are in equilibrium with each other. Simultaneously the two markets are in equilibrium. Okay, that means I am explaining it once more. So if the price in one market has been increased due to tax, suppose for tax, then the supply will move, the supply curve will move leftward, increasing the price from PM to PM star, and this will have an effect on the other interdependent market, which will lead the increase in their demand. As the demand has increased, the price has also increased. This will again have a feedback effect on the previous market, which will again increase the price, and this will again affect the second market, and in this way they will continue affecting each other, and simultaneously they will reach the point of equilibrium. Okay, that means general equilibrium deals with determining the price and quantity in which all the markets are at equilibrium simultaneously. Okay, so the next on the next video we're gonna know more about general equilibrium. So wait for the next video. Thank you.